All right, boys and girls, we have a garbage disposal issue. Yesterday, it just started dripping water out. And when I say drip, like a very steady drip, all of our towels and things under here were soaking wet. So it wasn't something we could kind of mess around with. Went to Lowe's this morning right after church and grabbed a new one. We're gonna throw it in there and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really, really easy.